As a human being, you've all discovered doubt, worry, and concern just don't dance well with the natural state of your own consciousness. So we have encouraged you to let them go, to let your soul transmute those energies for your human self. And because so many of you have done just that, you're now experiencing life in a way that at times feels to your human self to be surreal. Your human experience is beginning to feel quasi-physical. Or put another way, you can feel that you're still here on this planet, but not of it. It doesn't feel so dense. And as that relates to your extended human family, they too are being invited to now make a conscious choice to free themselves from what was never theirs to carry. There is no deadline to making such a choice, but there exists right now in this moment an incredible opportunity. An opportunity that all of you can feel. It feels ripe, does it not? To experience your divine nature as a human being in this lifetime, while being on this planet, and simply because so many of you have now chosen that for yourself, it can feel like an emerging spiritual revolution is taking place. And its impact on the status quo will be profound, as long as your light has no agenda, but changing what has been to what it now needs to be in order to bring all of life back into some kind of balance. It can be awkward. It can be challenging and a little frightening. But what's even more disturbing than any of that is not the change at all. Some of you here today have experienced that in your own life. In fact, it was that experience that inspired you to take that deep dive inside of your own inner reality. With this group that is here today, I act as a guide with a very light touch. You don't need me to play the role of a commander. We believe, like so many of you, that the vast majority of human beings are actually heart-centered. And from a political perspective, the majority of people are neither far left or far right. They prefer the middle ground. But it is the far right and the far left that ends up making all the noise. So it can feel that your own voice has little impact on the affairs of other people. But that isn't true. We can't say it enough. So we'll say it again. If there really were any other beings in all of creation that were more qualified to be here at this time, they would be here.